Sabbath 2 weeks ago, last week, and we thought we should revive this, so we hope you guys like it.
Yeah!
Woo! Never had their legs crossed though.
Gathered in their masses, just like witches at black masses. Evil minds that plot destruction, sorcerer of dance construction. In the fields of bodies burning, as the war machine keeps turning. Death and hatred to mankind, poisoning their brainwashed minds. Oh Lord, yeah. She couldn't help me with my mind. People think I'm insane because I am frowning all the time. All day long I think of things, but nothing seems to satisfy. Think I'll lose my mind if I don't find something to satisfy. Can you help me? Occupy my brain. Oh yeah. I need someone to show me the things in life that I can't find. I can't see the things that make true happiness. I must be blind. Joking, I will sigh, and you will laugh, and I will cry. Happiness I cannot feel, and that to me is so unreal. And so as you hear these words telling you now of my state, I tell you to enjoy life. I wish I could, but